Guess where we are? Yes, the English PENNLINER is finally out of the garden. We're in a beautiful field near the beach in Somerset, and Kira approves very much.
Yeah, just like to say we are camping in Somerset on Diamond Farm in Green. Just waiting for you to cook me some tea.
And when you're surviving out in the wild, you can find a use for everything. Perfect. Hello. Good morning. We are here in Somerset, sunny Green. Let's go and have a look what the day has to offer. And check the campsite out as well. So with the, as I said earlier, the social distancing, we're virtually on our own. And Madam's inspecting, aren't you, Kira? Here's our shower set up. That's warming up nicely now. It's warm in here actually. So we've got our little toilet set up and shower. Let me bring it on. There you go. I'll give you a nice shower, that will. Solar panels facing the wrong way, but it's still working. And then later today, I'm going to take this antique bike and have a go up that hill over there, up Breen Down. So that will be, I've walked it, I've driven up there in a classic car, in 1952 Riley, and today, if I do it, I'll have cycled up there as well. And here we have the air windbreaker. First time we've tried it in anger. It's working good, I must admit. A nice little enclosure. Pumped up easy. I have heard horror stories of them getting blown away and trashed. I suppose anything will blow away and get trashed in a high wind. But that seems to be fine. That's where we are on Diamond Farm. And we have a new device going. Let's see how she's doing. Oh yes. Sorry about the wind, everybody, but so sir, you've come over to have a look at the English PENNLINER. So how did you about it then? So, well, it was home built. So and your interest is was you find us on YouTube, yeah? Okay. I'll ask his partner instead.
With the hat. Just come off the slope.
So you, how did you find out about us and the English PENNLINER then?
Don't put me on the spot. Cut that. Do it again.
No, how did you find out about the English PENNLINER?
Well, so we go camping all the time.
Yeah.
And we came across this camper and we were just intrigued. We asked some questions and you told your website.
How far have you come today to come and have a look?
A couple of hours.
From where?
From Birmingham.
Oh, all the way from Birmingham. Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah. Big fans then.
Big fan. Subscribe to the
yes.
Facebook and YouTube.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Are there any more, you know, in your entourage?
What do you mean?
Any more people with you?
I've got my partner there.
Oh yeah, I tried to speak to him earlier. Yeah. I like his hat though.
Yeah.
That's good.
Dress as well.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you very much.
No problem at all. Happy camping.
So we've made it to the beach. And look who we've... Well, actually, the first thing I've got to say is you're allowed to drink on the beach now because of social distancing, but if I just pan behind me, you're never going to believe who we bumped into again. The two people that followed us all the way down from Birmingham to have a look at the English PENNLINER. And we only found them on the beach.
But also, I think
Look at that. I'm going to be polite. Slowly walk away. I hope this microphone's working. But at last, we've made it to the beach. Yep. We are camping in southwest England, Somerset, and we've actually got out of the garden. I'll just show you these people again. A bit polite, see at the back of them. I don't know how we found them on the beach, I'll never know. I think they're stalking us.
Very swiftly over the bar, and Chelsea survived.
Well, I think Kurt Zouma just missed it, and maybe that might have taken Muller's eye off it slightly. Whip of his side foot, just opened his heel out. Came off the inside, bounced down, and then over the bar. But they look a little bit tired. I mean, it's been a really good second half performance from Chelsea. Probably off the back of a good final 15 of the...
I'm going to show you what she looks like in the dark. I've got some pictures. I don't know how good this is coming out. But yeah, let me get a bit closer. That's him. I think we got him. I think we're in focus now. Yes, we've had a good day on the beach. This is the English PENNLINER in all her glory, sailing away into the night with her lights on. One new addition, which is the step light. Now that's that goes off. That will go off. That will when there's nobody around. So that might be off by the time I come around the next corner because it's on an infrared. And yeah, she's looking good. Yeah, our friends that we met earlier are still here. I don't think they're going home. They're having a good time in the field. He is. Where could Alfie be? There he is. Cooking today.
Turkey bacon.
Fake bacon.
Fake bacon.
It's not even shaped like bacon. Yeah. Right, we can show you our new game.
Right.
Explain the game for now.
Yeah, throw the ball.
Throw the ball that way.
Direction. Then first to the
dog's choices now.
And she's running. She's running. Come on. He's got you. Yes, the part that nobody likes, packing down. But I thought I'd show you how we do it. So the mattress topper rolls up at the top here, because when she folds down, it goes straight above that. The shower tent folds into one of these pop-up ones that folds into one of them little small circles. But it's beyond me. It's like witchcraft. Then underneath here, it goes a sink and the cooker. And the tables that go outside, basically. Then up the side there, we have a spare chair, the braces, and the blinds in the packaging. We put the weight over the tail hitch end. Obviously, when it's all down as well, there's plenty of room here. Give that a wipe out. And that is that.